My name's Jay Fenwick, and I'm an associate professor in the Department of Computer Science at Appalachian. I got my PhD from the University of Delaware in 1998. My PhD dissertation was on compilers for optimizing a parallel programming language called Linda. Some of the courses that I teach at Appalachian are the introductory programming courses in Java and a software design patterns course. That's a favorite that I like. I've also taught recently a mobile device programming class, mostly based on Android with a little bit of iPhone thrown in. For graduate courses, I teach the software engineering courses and a programming language translation course that we just usually call compilers. And that's a fun class because having used compilers for most of our academic and professional careers, it's really nice to be able to write the compiler yourself. It's kind of like coming full circle. And some of the research that I'm interested in currently is in mobile device applications. Anything really that comes to mind, I'm interested in trying to implement as a mobile application. Recently, I worked with some students on implementing a alert system for phones that was for a local beekeeping organization that got some nice international press, actually. Some other research that I'm interested in doing, I'm writing a programming languages textbook with two of my colleagues in the department, and I have a grant on building an e-book infrastructure for education. One of the things I like to do is go to local elementary schools to teach young people about computing. I've worked this past year with children as young as 3rd grade up into 7th grade. Went to a local elementary school for an entire day-long session of different activities, including programming. There's some very good elementary programming environments out there that these youngsters can really make significant progress very quickly. They get energized by it. It's a lot of fun to see them start to learn what I feel very passionate about. And one of the new things we're doing in the department is kind of a co-oping internship program that we call app sourcing. It's kind of an outtake on rural sourcing or outsourcing or crowdsourcing, only the sourcing is happening here within the department at Appalachian with faculty and students. The idea is to tightly tie in work for clients into the curriculum mission that we have in the department. Some of the projects that we've done recently are some website development. We've also set up a streaming live video camera for the Solar Decathlon project here at Appalachian. And we're also working with the university's Energy Center on an application to help local economic developers think about how to leverage the green economy in their jurisdictions. So these are exciting projects that faculty and students are getting to work on that are helping local businesses and the local community. I like computer science because I like knowing that I can build the things that I dream of. If I think of an application I'd like to have on my phone, I can make that happen. I had a student come to me last summer who said they got interested in livestock tracking because of his new wife's family, and he wanted to build a low-cost livestock tracking system. So we did. Another student came to me and was interested in doing research on bee colony disorder, and so we're working with a local organization to collect and manage data to understand the bee colony disorder problem. So these are the kinds of projects that I like knowing that I can think about and then build computer tools to help realize those dreams.